In this video, I'll be showing you how to gut and gill a fish, that is just removing the intestine and gills from the fish. For this video, we're using mackerel. First, you want to turn the fish upside down and just open up the gill cover, which is the pink spikish thing, that's the gill. Then you want to pass your knife just underneath that and follow the contours around the gill. You just cut through that to the topmost part of the fish. The reason why we do that is because the gill contains blood and sometimes that could make the fish really bitter. So just pinch and pull the gill and that way you have it removed, just as seen in the video. If it's a bit difficult to pull the gill, then you can just use a knife just like I did. Now I add some of the intestine, the gut, already pulling out through the surface, so I just pull that out, but I'll show you the other way you can do this. When you flip the fish, you should see this anal vent, which is this little hole I'm showing you. So what you want to do is just push your knife through that, just make sure it's not too deep, and just cut straight in between the fin, the feathery stuff, and then just cut straight into the gill. Make sure you don't drive your knife too deep into that, and then just open that up. When you open this up, you should see most of the gut and the intestine, but because I already pulled some of that, we have just little of that left in the fish. So what you want to do is just use your knife to simply brush that out, just to remove it. As you can see, we still have some intestine there, which I'm removing, but like I said, if I didn't pull that out initially, it would have had a lot more than that. So you just want to scrape out the intestine, you want to gut the area, so just remove everything nasty from it. If you look inside, you'll see this blackish membrane, which is just a bloodline. So you also want to just scrape that out nicely. So that black membrane, just pull it out as well, just in bits. So just scrape that out because, like I said, the blood will make the fish bitter. So once all of that is out, as you can see, we've taken all of that out. We still have a little bit of the black membrane, but that can be removed when you wash, just to clean the fish. So the next thing we're doing is just getting that underwater, and then you can just use your hands just to remove other areas. So as you can see, that's still part of the black membrane we're removing in the water. So just run your thumb through that and slowly just remove that in the water and clean that out. And there you have it. You've just the gut, you've just the gill, and your fish is ready. So just add in some spices and enjoy this.